We just arrived in Shanghai. We checked into our hotel, freshened up, and now we're hitting the streets. Join us if you want to see our first impressions.
It is amazing.
I can't believe I'm seeing this with my own eyes. It is loud in there. None of the videos I watched could have prepared me for this. We are starting here in Nanjing Road where our hotel is. It's a pedestrian walking road. Our hotel is literally one of those windows up there. Luckily you can't see in there from the street. But we looked down out of our window and we saw this coffee and bar. And Craig is in desperate need of quenching his thirst.
Yeah, quench my thirst. You understand.
Dumplings!
Dumplings everywhere. Found a bar. We're actually looking out our window from our hotel and we saw this little pub. It was next to the Costco coffee. There's another little alleyway here.
Costa, not Costco.
Now we're going to have a drink and then take a walk.
No. It's not that simple. There's a happy hour.
There's a happy hour.
And Craig's getting 2 beers.
For the price of 1.
Cheers! Even got peanuts.
Yeah.
So first impression so far?
It is amazing. It's really busy, but that's what we wanted. A big vibe. Public transport was really busy, but no issues. So there was space on the train. It was really comfortable. Just walking around this place, it's just vibing. It's what is it today? It's a random Thursday and it's just holiday makers, foreigners, locals, just all out having a good time. One thing I must say is you got to watch out for the scooters because they're on the sidewalks and they're just going. So they do hoot and everyone seems to be just jumping out the way and they slow down when there are people there, so yeah.
I just love how easy everything has been for us to actually get from the airport to the city. It's straightforward, there's English signage everywhere. If you have your app set up beforehand, it's like you're a local in Shanghai. That's how I felt arriving in the city. I'm so glad we chose to stay here. There's just so much around us. 4 days is not going to be enough here. 2 beers and 2 wines just cost us 29 New Zealand dollars. Not too bad if you ask me.
At probably a pretty touristy restaurant because it's below some of the biggest hotels.
It's off of Nanjing Road.
So
and below the Conrad Hotel, which looks super fancy if you look at the cars coming in and out of there.
And it's under the Crown Plaza, which is, yeah.
The sun is about to set and I have to go and see the Bund. I have to today.
Let's do it. I need to see it. I'm going to see the sunset there. Okay, let's run.
As that sun sets, it feels like the street is coming even more alive. Lights are on, there's more people.
3,
okay,
2,
so here we have a scooter traffic lights. Because this is a pedestrian road.
Look at that road. Oh, that guy doesn't care.
Ooh, Shanghai food courts. Who's keen?
Although I see shoes. This is the kids' place. I went in here and there's just kids' shops everywhere.
It's a multi-story building just for kids' clothes. We just spotted a side street full of street food. We're gonna head to the Bund and then come back.
For food, because there's so much
That smells so good.
My goodness.
Ooh, Shanghai fashion store. Yes, we are here for shopping.
It's a nice building. Look at that building. We're running our sun here. I know, but it's distracting. Look, when you look back now, all those pinnacles.
Wow. It's a doll.
I did not know that. That's so cool. Check these stonemasons, baby. Check.
Oh wow. Silver. Handmade silver. So every few meters you can see a police little station, but it's on a platform under an umbrella.
It's really good. You feel safe.
To be honest,
around, so
in Auckland when we see the police around, we think, oh, it's so nice to see them out and about.
Yeah, and I think people have the wrong perception about China in the sense that you think the police are going to stop you filming or going to moan at you, but they've been really cool, and I think they're just here to keep the peace, which we're happy about, so it's good.
It's red.
I didn't know it was a traffic light. Oh, and we're in the way.
Oh,
Tony was greeting us.
but it's red.
And there's a countdown until it goes green. Check.
Yeah.
That's the first. Oh, look at this. So many lights.
Us coming from Auckland, we are super used to waiting for the green light to walk across now. And what do you say about the streets being so clean?
Oh,
There's
unreal.
so many people around, but I cannot see any litter. It might be time for me to get a new iPhone, just saying.
It's a big app.
Wow, that's massive.
Massive. All of a sudden, the style of building has changed completely. Super European.
The craziest thing is we haven't seen the bunch yet, so we haven't seen the tall buildings and across the waterway to the major city, so it's going to be exciting because it's going to be like a wow effect and it's perfect evening for it, so let's go.
The weather is so... Okay, I just saw a massive T-Rex. Okay, that threw me off completely. The weather can't be better. I'm getting a little bit hot, but it is so nice to be out and about.
It's just scooters.
We are about to hit the river, and the walkway like against it is called the Bund, and from there you can see all the futuristic buildings on the other side of the river. We're about to sail.
The main high-rises, including the Shanghai Tower, which is the 3rd tallest building in the world, over 600 meters high, which is mind-boggling. So let's go for a look.
It's sticking out!
Come.
I can't believe I'm seeing this with my own eyes.
This is probably one of the most incredible things I'm walking into.
It is totally insane because on this side you have all these old European style buildings, and then there it looks like space.
Most modern skyscrapers you'll ever see. There's a moment now where we turn the corner and we're going to see the Shanghai Tower.
Okay, okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? This skyline is iconic. We came at the perfect time.
Look at that sunlight. Holy.
None of the videos I watched could have prepared me for this. This is so cool.
Stop it.
Wow.
Get ready. Get ready for... No matter where you look, there's something to see. Across the river, you have all the futuristic buildings, sky rises and everything. Down there and all the way behind us is like old European, like what you would see going down the Danube River in Budapest, for example. And then just over there, more sky rises and modern buildings. And then there's ships on the river, there's a cruise ship.
There's ferries, there's one colourful one coming past here.
And there's so many people around.
And even away from the modern city, there's still like high-rises all around you. It's really cool.
While all the buildings in front of us started lighting up, the buildings behind us also lit up. I love city lights, and I love it that people are out and about after dark. Just lights everywhere you look. We kind of need something to eat now. It's been a really long day. I don't even know how we're standing and walking around. My back is sore, I'm tired, I'm hungry, but I'm in awe. I'm in awe of the city, and it hasn't even been a full day. I love the fashion here. Everyone is just dressed to whatever they want, and I'm here in my kemot.
My AS color.
Well, that's nice at least. But we need to go shopping. That's all I'm saying. Sugar cane juice.
Wow. Last time we had that was in Zanzibar.
We took a walk through some of the food courts and got a little overwhelmed. I think it was a combination of being tired after a long flight, the sensory overload, and seeing so many foods that were new to us. But don't worry, it wasn't long before something caught our eye.
What meats is the dumpling?
White.
38. What is it? Pork? Pork.
Lobster. Beef.
Pork, lobster, beef. Yeah. Small. Yeah, one.
Spicy. Soy sauce. 来，现在我3件包来一块，帅哥美女们。
谢谢。
拜拜。拜拜。来，3件包来一块，帅哥美女们。传手工制作，非常好吃啊。
It is loud in there, but it's so cool. Okay.
But little dumplings,
They are
pork
so
dumplings,
small.
cost 38
fried.
yuan, so that's,
Less than $10.
yeah. A bit of sauce, they're very good. Nice because they're fried, it's like
I
crispy.
love fried dumplings.
My turn. I love fried dumplings, and I love that these are little minis, and I love that you can dip it in the side of this container.
So clever.
We're back to where we saw the dinosaur earlier, just so we can show it to you. And the whole ceiling is just lights.
That's the beer head, Goose Island. Cool. Thank you. Next up. Thanks.
Okay, we're actually looking for a 7-Eleven.
See what
We
you
might
see.
find one in here. We just stumbled across another huge shopping center.
Like,
We just can't find a shop where we can buy like little groceries. On the maps it said there's a 7-Eleven here, and I have been using A maps, but there isn't. And we're fading fast.
what did you get?
We got some buns. Beef and pork fried buns. Yeah.
From what place? Thank you.
That is unfortunately the end of our first impressions video. I know it didn't end very well because we both got super tired very quickly, and all we wanted to do was get back to the hotel to eat our food and go to bed. But now I can use this opportunity to thank all of you for the amazing comments on our last video. We appreciate it so much. We also noticed that our video was shared on Chinese social media. We've really enjoyed reading the comments on Bilibili, but unfortunately we can't reply back on there. So I thought I'd come and answer one or two of your questions right now. I know our nationality can be a bit confusing, but we are both from South Africa, and 3 years ago we immigrated to New Zealand. We are permanent residents, and hopefully one day we'll become citizens. Now, there are many direct flights each week between New Zealand and China, and I know some of you wondered why didn't we stop in Guangzhou and we only went to Shanghai, or as you called it, Newbie Village. Well, the cheapest option for us was to fly from Auckland with the layover in Guangzhou and then end up in Shanghai. So please let us know in the comments, if we were to go to China again, which cities would you suggest that we visit? Anyway, I just wanted to say a quick hello and thank you again for watching and for all the comments. We're going to jump straight back into the video with a few bloopers and a small preview of our next video. We just arrived in Shanghai. We just love.
What?
Isn't this just the cutest thing? Actually, people are taking photos everywhere of everything. It's called Tianbing. We thought we'd try the bus out. It's my turn, I'm so nervous.